Bike, posted, March 4, 2019, 7:54 a.m. EST. Updated, March 4, 2019, 7:54 a.m. EST. Cleanup underway after snowstorm brings heavy snow to Western Massachusetts. Video, WWLP. Western Massachusetts dealt with a snowy morning Monday. The snow ended in Chicopee around 6 a.m., but not before at least 5 inches fell. There wasn't a wintry mix, so the snow wasn't icy or compacted, so if you had to clean your car off, the snow wasn't overly fluffy and light, but it wasn't anything a snow brush couldn't handle. Local road conditions in Chicopee varied quite a bit throughout the morning. Some were snow-covered, but some of the more main roads had been treated. As always, it's the quieter, less traveled roads that will bear the brunt of the worst driving conditions. But at least there will be fewer cars on the road, as many schools are delayed or canceled Monday. If you head out on the roads at all Monday, the keyword is extra. You want to allow for extra to get to where you need to go and allow for extra full owing distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Make sure you clean your car off as well as possible before you leave your house. While there is no official Massachusetts law about clearing snow and ice from a car, but a driver who fails to do so can be cited for carrying an unsecured load. As always, don't crowd the plow. Because it's heavy wet snow, you need to be careful shoveling or snow blowing. Make sure to take breaks so you don't get too tired. The snow is heavy, so if you're shoveling, don't try and shovel too much snow at one time, you could hurt yourself. It's also a good idea to push the snow rather than lift it. Continue reading. Copyright 2019 Extra Broadcasting Incorporated. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, rewritten, or redistributed.